As Valentine's Day approaches, the Cybercrime Investigation and Coordinating Center is warning of a surge in love scams now using artificial intelligence. On BNC's Politico Nightly, CICC Executive Director Renato Paraiso said that scammers are harvesting personal information from social media to build highly targeted fake profiles designed to match their victims' preferences, listing red flags to watch out for.
So, ang mga red flags usually naman pag when it pertains to love scams, unang-una ho, too good to be true. Ibig sabihin, sobrang kilala ko na ng tao because AI was used to profile you. Alam nila kung ano yung mga gusto mo. Kung gusto mo mestizo, gusto mo yung medyo matangkad. So that's what they'll portray. Second po is parang nagmamadali tsaka may pressure. Sabihin nila, nanghihingi na ng pera kasi kailangan ko na pumunta sa'yo or kailangan na natin magpakasal kagad. Third is, it's time-bound. Parang halimbawa, if you're not going to entertain me, bahala ka. Baka hindi na ako makapunta sa'yo or baka makulong na ako dito. And lastly siguro na kailangan natin tandaan sa love scam, ang sinabi ho ng aking paboritong philosopher na si Jennifer Lopez, love don't cost a thing.
Authorities are urging the public to limit sharing personal details online and report suspicious accounts as AI-driven scams become more sophisticated.